Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas and with decoration ideas. Turn a simple metal into a magical Christmas centerpiece and many ornaments as balloon, place Santa or a snowman at the base, spark, fix snow and watch your table turn into a winter wonderland. And viewers, angel balloon centerpiece decoration areas use a golden attach golden and white ornaments like floating balloons and a place 3 angels at the base with fairy lights around made of Christmas tag, penguin with wonderland. Use blue or silver ornaments instantly of red and a cute penguin with snow, fake snow, mini. Snowflakes hanging from the ring. Attach a small reindeer. Instead of decorate half of the circle with ornaments, cotton, cloud, and LED lights to create a flying in the sky. Snow Christmas village. Instead of one, included a mini house tree, attending cards and kids playing and silver ornaments on the top like snowball, a snowman, holiday balloon. Use a big snowman's and attach rings from his hand to red white ornaments, making them look like balloons floating upward. Viewers, and please thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my videos.